I'm here in Johanna's room this morning. There's less than a week now before she leaves for college, and our whole family is thrust into a time of change. I came in just to check out her status and see how things are coming along, and as I look around, I see lots of mementos of her childhood, lots of things that remind me of her high school years, lots of things that represent who she is. But also, as I look around, I'm starting to feel kind of sentimental. I'm thinking that in a couple of weeks from now, I'm going to need to bring in a new box of tissues and close the door and just have myself a good mama cry. But until then, I'm also looking around and I'm realizing this girl's got a lot to do. She's hardly started to pack. That's probably what we'll be doing this weekend. And when she starts to pack, she's going to have to choose. She's going to have to make a lot of decisions. Decisions about what matters most, about the things she needs, things she doesn't really need, things that mean a lot, and things that don't really mean a lot. Change is hard and it stretches us, but I think one of the ways that change is good is that it causes us to choose what matters most. We could even say that change forces us to consider, what do we treasure? This is what Jesus was talking about in Matthew chapter 6 when he says this: "Do not store up for yourselves treasures on earth where moth and rust destroy, where thieves break in and steal. But store up for yourselves treasures in heaven, where moth and rust do not destroy, where thieves do not break in and steal. For where your treasure is, there your heart will be also." I don't have many days left with Johanna at home, but these verses are a great reminder to me that in the time that we have left before this big change, I need to be investing my time and my energy in the things that matter most, things of the heart. If those are the things I treasure, that's where my time and my energy need to be focused. Now, that doesn't mean we don't need to get some packing done and we don't need to pull in a trash bag or two, but it means that my focus needs to be on the things that will outlast this change. My focus needs to be on eternal things. Change is definitely hard, but change is good. One of the ways it's good is that it forces us to choose what matters most. Change helps us consider, what do we treasure? I don't know what your change is right now. Maybe there's a move on your horizon. Maybe there's a new job. Maybe there's a relationship change that's really stretching you. Maybe you're facing a physical health change, or maybe you're getting ready to send a kindergartner off to school for the first time. Whatever your change looks like, I'm sure it will stretch you like my change is stretching me. But I also pray for you that it will help you to take time to choose, take time to consider, what do you treasure? And let's make sure that we're storing up treasures in heaven. For where our treasure is, there will our heart be also.